So I'm gonna show you guys quickly what it looks like without the ND filter on at all. I'm gonna twist this off for you guys. Alright, so here we are without any ND filter on, and as you can see, it is super overexposed. And then we'll go back on. So this is on 2 right now on the ND filter. As you can see, the bark of the trees, the green, everything's popping a little bit more. Obviously, the more you adjust the settings, the better the picture will be. I'm gonna slowly turn it to 3 right now. So 3. So you can start seeing definitely a lot more detail in the snow here. Right here, you can start seeing the shadows and edges a little bit more. We're gonna go on 4 now. So it's getting a little bit darker. So this is where I would probably change the ISO a little bit, maybe. It might be good enough right now. We're gonna put it on 5 now, so it is on 5. And you see it's a lot darker, but you're getting a lot more detail. This is where you would change, like I said, your ISO or your f-stop, just to kind of give it the picture you're looking for.
Man, that was cold outside. What's going on, everyone? Tech Tosh coming at you guys with another video. As you've seen, I got some footage with the ND filter on. Yeah, it was highly needed. So as you've seen in the footage, when I didn't have it on, it is super bright, super foggy, no detail. You can't see the branches in the tree. You can't see the detail in the snow. You can't see my dog's fur. Using an ND filter in bright conditions or snowy conditions, prime example, it's pretty simple. ND filter is sunglasses for your camera when in bright condition. Really isn't too much to it other than that. So there is 2 different style ND filters. There's a 2 to 5 and a 6 to 9. Now the 2 to 5 is pretty much all I need. I don't know why I would need a 6 to 9. If you know more about it, you can comment down below why you might need a 6 to 9. Me personally, I only need a 2 to 5. But that's pretty much it, guys. There isn't really too much to talk about with the ND filter besides showing you guys some of the footage you can capture with it. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, you know the deal, hit down below. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel get seen. If you did like the content, hit the subscribe button, whatever side. Click that bell so you get notified when I do upload my latest videos. Y'all stay nerdy. I'm out. Peace.